Hi everyone, Angie Hunt here. I'm in the LDRS studio. We're getting ready for another HSN show. It's going to be next week. The date you want to mark is October 9th, and we've got 3 shows. We're going to be on at 7 a.m. in the 4 p.m. hour and also the 11 p.m. hour. We can't wait to see you there. Today is our first sneak peek, and I think you guys are going to be really excited about this. I know I am. It is fall here already in Michigan. And we're not quite ready for Christmas, but we're getting there. We're turning the corner. So I'm really excited to show you some Christmas items that we're going to have on next week on HSN. And the first one, check that out. Check it out. Look at that. Look at those gnomes. This is a Polka Doodles gnome Christmas kit. This is for card making. There's 105 pieces. This is a die cut set. So you're going to see, let me show you some of these die cut sheets. Oh my gosh, what do you see? Look at these. Look at those die cuts. They're big, they're beautiful. We've got them for tags, for your little card toppers down in here. There's sentiments in here. Just look at those gnomes. How many of you love gnomes for Christmas? Oh my gosh, I just love them. Check out some more of these. Look at that. There are so many. I'm not going to show them all to you right now because I don't want to spoil the surprise. But these are some of the coolest die cuts. And if you know our die cuts, you know that they are a good, solid, heavy-duty cardstock. You're also going to get, look at these papers. Look how gorgeous. You get a full paper pack in there. Isn't that stunning? There's going to be 24 sheets. These are 6 by 6, 80-pound cardstock. Good heavyweight, just wonderful. And you're also going to get a perfectly coordinated sentiment set. Look at that. And these are clear, so you can see exactly where you're going to be placing them. Look at how much fun they are. Merry Christmas and a happy gnome year. How cute is that? Gnome for the holidays. I love these, they're so cute. And look at this, let me go this way. This is one of my favorites, right up here. Noel, how cute is that? Totally cute, I love these. Wait till I show you some of the projects that we've made with these. Look how pretty that is. These die cuts, this is absolutely perfect. This is fast Christmas crafting. They're absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to color anything. We have coordinated all of the colors. It's a shaker card. Listen. How cool. How fun. This one we just cut the center out, made a shaker card out of it. No coloring. Everything is perfectly coordinated. You have all your papers, all your die cuts, and you get all of these fun, whoops, let's go that way. Such fun gnomes. Look at that one. For a friend like Gnome One Else. How cute is that? You can make so many things. You can make cards, but look at this. This is a box. Isn't that cool? And these are some of the little tags up in here. How fun is that? This is easy, fun crafting. And I'll tell you, your family, your friends, whoever you give these to, look at that. That's an easel card. How much fun. I mean, seriously, if you got one of these from a friend of yours, oh my gosh, this is definitely a keeper. I would keep these. I save this type of stuff. When I get handmade gifts from people, I just love them. Look how much fun that is. Look at him. He's writing Rudolph. How cute is that? Watch this one. This one is actually a book. I'm telling you, the creativity. Look at this open. Look how fun. And watch, each one of these that opens up. There's just a little something special in there. How cool is that? How fun. All right. Do you want to win one of these? Because we always do a giveaway. Those are always fun. I want you to tell me what is your favorite Christmas tradition in your family. Down below, I want you to leave a comment. We're going to give away one of these kits. The whole kit, nothing but the kit. We're going to have, let me see. I'm going to be leaving next week. So the show is on October 9th, 7 a.m., 4 p.m., 11 p.m. I'm going to announce these winners. So we're going to announce it on our Facebook group. So you're going to want to join us there. We're going to have one winner for this kit. Put your comment below in the little comment section below. Tell me what is your favorite Christmas tradition. And come, let's say, on the 7th, October 7th, check with our Facebook group and see if you're a winner. And if you're not, don't worry, because we're going to have these on HSN and you'll be able to get yours there. All right? So leave your comment below. Join me on October 9th, 7 a.m., 4 p.m., 11 p.m. I can't wait to see you there. This is sneak peek number 1. We still have 2 more sneak peeks to go, so make sure and join back. Thank you so much. I will see you again soon.